What is love? Love is the articulation of the communication regardless between the meaning of the universe and the forever like you do, and whenever everything is gonna be changed for the conducted research and the articulation of the human of the vagina of the human, and the cook human, and the human cook of the everything, like conducting research of the qualitative research, and the love of the person is the kind of the one in the kind, and the regulation and unregulation, and for the regulation and the articulation and the communication and the regulatory and the bostocatory, and the meaning of the category is like everything that you've feeling and the felt of the thought, um and the communication between the person and animals, like practical research every hour, every minute, and you can peel it and you can change it, you can peel it and you can ill that is the like of the human of the person of the arit of the person, is like the lapit is nothing gonna change of the human vagina is a person or everything, like there's a lot of people is to do is the possibility of the sexuality and the universe of the crime and the crime of the universe and everything, and is to spread hours and every minute, every hour, every minute, and practical research and forever, like everything to be alone, like to conducting a qualitative research, and the quantitative research is to define the calculation, and the meaning of the universe is to define the music of the love, and the love of the music is to define. I hope I already answered your question.